Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use codes in Archero 2. Alright, let's begin. First, open Archero 2 and tap the top left button to access the settings. In the settings menu, you'll see your user ID. Tap the copy button to copy your ID to the clipboard. Next, open a browser, I'll use Chrome, and search for the official Archero 2 redeem code website. Make sure the URL is h5happy.com, which is the official site. Once you're on the site, paste your user ID into the required field. Below that, enter your code. Then, type the verification number shown next to the field. After that, press the Redeem button. Now return to the Archero 2 game. Your rewards will appear in your in-game mail. In this example, the code I used was expired, so no reward showed up. But if you enter a valid, unexpired code, the reward should be available instantly. So that's basically how you can use codes in Archero 2. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.